OpenTAP's open source ERP plus CRM. OpenTAP's open source ERP plus CRM is an open source enterprise resource planning or ERP and customer relationship management or CRM system. The system is designed to bring together all aspects of a company, from customers to inventory to accounting, from online stores to the shop floor to the warehouse, so that everyone in the company works together as part of one coordinated process. OpenTAPS is a free web-based enterprise resource planning and customer care software system. It was designed to facilitate your requirements, which are imposed on a commercial system to cover with free software and is based on Apache Open for Business. Due to the implementation in Java of the application on all platforms is possible for the appropriate runtime environment is available. OpenTAPS provides a database abstraction layer and therefore supports various database systems, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server. OpenTAP's integrated sales, advertising, and customer service. It includes warehousing and the stocks of third-party supplier management and accounting, including double-entry bookkeeping and the generation of control information online or real stores. Unlike many other products, there are no paid enterprise version and therefore no limitation of number of stores, catalogs, product categories, or products. A limitation of the number of customers does not exist. The goods to be managed can be physical in nature as well as digital and downloadable. Also, configurable products or different versions are provided. A voucher system is also available. Furthermore, there is a managing user groups can be created for the various pricing rules. Large payment systems such as PayPal can be easily integrated. The system automates the sales process, from the analysis of consumer behavior to the implementation of the resulting changes. It generates a representation of paragraphs and sales opportunities, including estimates of future sales. The sharing of schedules and documents among other things by connecting with Outlook and Google Calendar allows. OpenTAPS also offers a browser-based email client in the use of an external email server. Also, an integration of IP telephony is provided. With the help of these vectors, it's as easy to implement advertising campaigns, newsletters, and customer calls possible. For the customer, there is also an integrated package tracking with UPS, FedEx, and DHL. In the next slide, you'll see some of the features of OpenTAP's open source ERP plus CRM system. And now, let me show you how OpenTAP's open source ERP plus CRM system work.